Hello guys, I'm DW. Unfortunately, so George, and welcome back to a brand new video. So the other day, I got this. If you don't know what this is one of the brand new Funko Pops for Wandavision. I wanted to show this off, but not before I add these two. Now, I haven't opened these yet. All I've done is I've taken my address of it. And so we've got these two. I don't know which one's which. So we're just going to pick a random one. I'm going to pick this one. And we're going to go and have a look at them. Just don't want to put it into the pop itself. So I'm trying to be as careful as I possibly can. There we go. Just the top bit now, and we're going to go and have a look at it. Oh, I can do that myself, can't I? There we go. I'll give you guys the first look at it. Oh, it is the Halloween Wanda. Let's have a look at it. There we go. Oh, look at that. Wow, let's have a look myself. That's a very nice looking pop, that is. It has got the stand underneath, of course. That's a great looking pop, and that will go fantastic next to him. Now that's one. That's 715. That's 716. So that basically both go together like that. But I'll try not to ruin the box at all. I don't know what these little plastic tubes are they keep using. Just to protect the hands or something like that. Oh, that's a great looking pop, that is. Here we go. Really good looking one. I love the earpiece with the band to look like the original costume. Just put the stand on the bottom. Right, it's okay, go on. That was weird. Look like I couldn't fit it in for a second there. There we go, doesn't that look good? Let's compare it to the Vision Pop. They look great together, don't they? Very happy with that one. Now, onto this one. Now I know which one this one's going to be. I knew which one that one would be, but I didn't know which way they'd come out. So, now that one's come out, I know exactly which one this is. And I'm glad I'll get to open this last. So I could give them two together. And just open this one last. Now I'm going to give you the first look again. There it is. So it's 70s Wonder, this one. Yeah, there it is. That's a great looking one as well. move this ball to the side and take out the box. Okay, so the legs are fixed in place with this one for some reason. Try and get this over. There we go. Oh, I'll have to take that out a bit later. I think it's a bit weird putting a little tag there to basically stop it moving. There it is. I think the pregnant bump is quite nice because you can see that quite well with the feet bowl. I'm loving the colours of the t-shirts. Don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. Another very nice looking puff. Boots look quite nice as well. Just trying to get this stand down as much as I can. Now I'm gonna put these together and just have a good have a good myself. I know you probably can't see them. There you can't. But they go fantastic together. Yeah, that's all right. So those are our two pops today. Then hope you guys have enjoyed this little short video of me doing this unboxing. Hope you like the figures. Cause I really like them. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Yeah. That was a cringe one.